Hey y'all, I'm Kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be installing this Vpart wig from Asteria Hair, and I'll be showing y'all a super easy way to blend your leave out and have the wig looking like it came straight from your scalp. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. And if you guys have been watching my video, you know that I love when companies take the time to really package their products. To me, it just sets the tone for what to expect for the quality of the hair. So with the wig, I got a wig cap, elastic band, edge brush, and lashes. So this is how the hair looks straight out of the packaging, and y'all, I was really impressed. The curls were super defined, the hair was nice and shiny, and it smelled really good. So this is their curly Vpart wig, and I got it in 20 inches. Here's just a look at the construction of the wig. Comes with lots of clips, elastic bands, so definitely have a lot of security. So now let's go ahead and get into the install. So I already have my hair braided up, and I just have the top left out, and that's going to be my leave out area. I'm just clipping the hair in, and as soon as I put it on, I already knew that this hair was about to eat, y'all. All I had done to it at this point was just wash it with a little conditioner. I didn't use any shampoo, just conditioner to kind of wet the hair, and then I went in and started cutting it. And y'all know sometimes I could get a little scissor happy, so this time I just made sure I split it into small sections and then just kind of layered the hair section by section. I wasn't really trying to cut too much off because I wanted to keep the length, but I just wanted the front to kind of frame my face and just give me a nice natural look. So now that I'm done cutting it, I just took like the first row of hair on the wig, and I'm going to be separating this from the rest because once I get to my leave out, I'm going to be blending that in with these pieces of hair. So I just like to get that out of the way because I'm going to blend it all together once I get to my leave out. And after that's out of the way, I'm going to be splitting the hair into 4 sections, and I'm just going to be defining the hair. And I've been stuck on these Miche products, y'all. I use their hydrating spray, I use their curl cream, and I use their foam and mousse. And it's pretty much like a 3-step process, and it always leaves my hair, and anytime I'm like using it on a wig, it just leaves it really moisturized and everything nice and defined, and it smells really good. So the process that I used was the hydrating spray and then the curl cream, and then I'm locking it in using the foam mousse. So after I apply all of the products, I'm going to be going in with this Denman brush. I think that's what it's called. Y'all, please correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm just going in and just defining the curls. And once I get to the ends, I like to do like this swooping under method, like a kind of like you turn your wrist once you get to the end. To me, this just clumps up the hair more, and it just makes the curls like look juicier and just really defined. So I'm going to be repeating that same process on the next couple sections of hair, and then I will catch back up with you guys when we're ready to blend the leave out. So to blend my leave out, I just took down that piece of hair that I separated from the wig, and I just put it together with my hair, and I'm going to be applying my same products that I used earlier, and I'm just spraying this on my hair and the wig hair together. After my hair is nice and moisturized, I'm just taking a comb, and then I'm going back in with that Denman brush again and just kind of clumping my hair together with the wig hair. Next, I'm just taking small sections of my hair and the wig hair, and I'm just doing like a finger coil. So I'm taking a really small section, my hair is on top, the wig hair is on the bottom, and then I'm just coiling them together. And you do kind of see the tracks peeking through a little bit right now, but that's just because my hair is wet. Once your hair dries, it's gonna fluff out and it's gonna hide the tracks completely. So this next part is really the key to making the wig look like it grew from your scalp. So pretty much I take that same section that I just worked in and I pull it down just to stretch the hair out. I apply a clip to it to hold it in place, and then I'm going to be blow drying the hair, and this is just going to stretch my roots out. And it's really a personal preference if you want to use heat or if you want to use a cool setting. For me personally, I use heat because it just gives me faster results. And the reason that I do this stretching method is because my hair gets really coily at the root. So in order for it to like perfectly match the texture of curls that I'm wearing, I like to stretch it out just a little bit, and that just really helps to make the hair look like it's coming from my scalp. So after I finished blow drying the hair, I just took out the clips and I put in bobby pins instead because I didn't want them to flatten out my curls. So I put in the bobby pins, I put on a scarf, then I just blow dried the rest of my hair and got ready. I took out the bobby pins, and whenever you do this, you want to make sure that you are really gentle, because one small little move and you'll end up like pulling your hair, then it'll start separating from the wig hair, and then you just got a frizzy mess. So make sure you take your time when you're taking the bobby pins out. And that is pretty much the last step of this process. I just take my fingers and just kind of fluff the hair out a little bit and just get it how I want it, because it got a little flat under the scarf. But that is pretty much it, and I just love the way that my hair ended up blending in with this wig. The coiling method and the blow drying definitely helped with making my leave out look undetectable. So I just let my hair finish air drying and I let it fluff out for a little while. So this is the results after about 20 minutes, and I think that it just came out so perfectly. This is definitely about to be my new favorite wig. And again, this hair is from Asteria Hair. This is their Vpart wig in 20 inches. I'll have all of the information in my description box, so definitely don't forget to check it out. And thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.